एके वटेन भाजपाचे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह म्हादयचो विशय वेंचणूक प्रचारात तापोवचो म्हूण कर्नाटकांतल्या बीजेपीचे फुडाऱ्यांक सांगता, जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन कर्नाटक काँग्रेसीचो खासदार एस.बी. गौडान प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन म्हादयच्या विशयांत लक्ष घालचें म्हूण विशय लोकसभेत काडलो। उदक नाशिल्ल्यान खंय लोकांचे हाल, लोक रस्त्यार देवला म्हूण ताणें विशय काडलो। गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री वाटाघाटीक तयार आसा म्हूण मंत्री जे.पी. नड्डा जाप दिवन मेकळो जाला।
Madam, I'm raising a very important issue pertains to the state of Karnataka, madam. Madam, Karnataka is facing a very severe water problem, madam. In fact, people are agitating for several days seeking for implementation of water projects. The northern part is facing acute shortage of drinking water. They are insisting for implementation of this Mahadayi project. Likewise, in the southern portion, people are also trying and they are also seeking for implementation of this Mekedatu scheme. Both these are, the problem is, madam, there are some interstate disputes with regard to this project. Now, the only solution to solve this issue is the immediate intervention of the Honorable Prime Minister. Unless the intervention of the Honorable Prime Minister, this issue cannot be resolved and the people of Karnataka cannot be provided with water. Similarly, under the similar situation, late Indiraji intervened and solved some issues and interstate problem to enable the people to get water. Likewise, madam, now I request the Honorable Prime Minister of this country to immediately intervene and see that the water dispute, particularly with regard to this Mahadayi and Mekedatu, should be solved to enable the people of Karnataka to get sufficient water for drinking purpose.
Mahadayi issue, already Honorable Chief Minister of Goa has written a letter to our former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa that to provide 7.56 TMC feet of water for drinking purposes, he is ready to have a outside tribunal negotiation. For outside tribunal negotiation, therefore now it is the responsibility of the Chief Minister of Karnataka to have talks with the Goa Chief Minister, because Goa Chief Minister has already come one step forward and we should better utilize this for the interest of the farmers for drinking water purposes because of the drought prone area in North Karnataka, madam.
श्रीकांत एकनाथ शिंदे।
धन्यवाद मैडम स्पीकर।
वो 2 मिनट का सीएम आपसे पहले बात करें।
अमित शाह कर्नाटकाचे आमदार आणि बाकीचे बीजेपीचे फुडाऱ्यांबरोबर वेंचणुकेविशीं बसका घेतली। अमित शाह बीजेपीचे फुडाऱ्यांचेर तिडकल्लो म्हूण कर्नाटकांतल्या कांय मिडियांनी रिपोर्ट हाडल्यात। थंयचो बीजेपीचो प्रभारी केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रकाश जावडेकर आणि मंत्री पियुष गोयलाचे कामगिरीचेर खंय अमित शाह सातिस्येत ना। म्हादयचे क्रेडीट बीजेपीक मेळचे म्हूण हुस्तिल्लो प्लान बीजेपीचेरूच शकलो। शेतकार बीजेपीच्या ऑफिसा भायर आंदोलनाक बसले। हे सगळे मुद्दे बंगळुरा शहाचे बसकेत आयले। गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या पत्रा उपरांतूय लोक बीजेपी आड कित्याक गेले हाचेर शहान खंय रिपोर्ट मागला। म्हादयचो विशय शिस्तबद्ध आणि आक्रमक पद्दतीन काँग्रेस आणि सिद्धरामय्या आड ताणें तापोवंक सांगला।